Hey guys, good afternoon. I know this is not something that we typically do, but we went to an event last night with CosmoProf North America, and they gave us this incredibly heavy and awesome swag bag. And so we wanted to do an unboxing video because it actually has some really cool things in it. I did already take a little sneak peek, but I haven't really checked it all out, so it's still gonna be a little bit of a surprise. But we kind of just wanted to talk about it and show it off. And if you guys like this kind of video, we could definitely do more in the future. And if you like any of the products inside, comment below and let us know if you want to see them in the Hair Nerd mystery box in the future. But yeah, we kind of wanted to give you a look at what this incredible swag bag looked like. So the event was held at Ron Robertson in Santa Monica, California. So it was an incredible little cool store full of really awesome fashion and accessories and little things, books and product and all that kind of stuff. So definitely go check that place out because it was really cool. Almost maxed out my credit card last night because so many cool hairdresser clothes and things like that. But we want to show you some of the cool stuff inside. So we have a white tea miracle drops from Teology, which this looks really fun. Skincare is always love it, always. These will definitely be something that I'm gonna give a try. And there's lots of little things, but there's also some big things in here too, so I kind of want to save the big things to the end. Let's see, we have something from Glycine. So not really sure what it is, so we'll give it a little open and take a peek at what's inside. Hopefully I can open this and don't need to grab my scissors or something. Nice, there's a little tab on it, so that's definitely helpful. Let's see. Oh, cool. So there is a mist. It looks like some sort of sea salt mist. So we have a Cetox Mist, a detoxifying skin protectant, which is really awesome. I don't know if you guys can see that. We'll do the whole YouTube hand over the product type thing, but that looks really fun. And there's also, let's see, a anti-aging with cucumber and peptides rejuvenation cream, which that looks really fun as well. Again, skincare, always a huge bonus. Love trying out new skincare stuff. Let's see, something from Supermood. It looks like a Beauty Sleep Youth Restoring Serum and an Ego Boost 1-minute facelift serum. I mean, come on, after a night at a hair show, who wouldn't want some of those cool little things? Take your makeup off, put on some nice beauty sleep cream. It sounds good to me. And it looks like there's also, oh cool, a little box in here as well of raw chocolate with marshmallows. Hell yeah. Little treat in there for you too. That looks really fun. Definitely give this one a try. I love skincare. I don't know if you guys like skincare, but I definitely love getting brand new skincare that I can try. I'm always looking for something new. It looks like, I know there's two things in here. From Skin Regimen, there's a 1.5 retinol booster, which retinol boosters are definitely one of my favorite things to use because I feel like I don't drink enough water. My skin kind of looks a little older than I'd like it to be. So these are always, I love those kind of things. And there's also a Skin Regimen. My cat decided to join as well, I'm sorry. But it looks like there's a whole little skincare lineup that you can try in here as well. So we have a night detox, a 1.85 HA booster. That's always really fun. Here's another 1.5 retinol booster. A triple peptide cream. I don't know if any of you guys have ever tried a triple peptide cream, but these are fantastic. And cleansing cream. You can't ever have enough cleansing cream. Take all this makeup off after a hair show and that kind of stuff. Can never have enough. There's also a hand cream from Cream Mayonnaise. That looks really fun. I love having hand creams and keeping these in my purse because I feel like I get so dry, especially traveling so much. I love keeping these for airplane and stuff like that. And oh, fun. It's, let's see, hot to cold Dare to Wear Mood Polish from Le Chat. That looks really cool. It looks like it goes from a black to a red. That's really fun for like hair shows and things like that. Like, who doesn't like a dark nail polish? Let's see. We also have a Maskingdom Organic Cleansing Flakes. That sounds really cool, actually. It looks like, let's see. It's a one-step water-soluble cleanser, completely removes makeup and leaves the skin feeling clean, fresh, and moist. So that's always really nice to have. And that sounds really cool. Like something that's kind of like a bit different style than just like your normal cleansing cream or whatever, like a cleansing flake. That sounds really fun. So that'll be really fun to try too. Then we have a box in here from Snow Crystal. This one's sealed, so I didn't take a peek at this one last night, so this will be a surprise to us both. I love the presentation though, actually, just to show you guys this presentation of this box. It's like really beautiful gray box, and it has this ribbon on it and the little sticker from Snow Crystal. I really like this presentation. I'm like super into that kind of stuff, like packaging and presentation and those kind of things. Let's see. Oh, fun. Oh, so it's a compact, it looks like, of blush and bronzer. This looks really fun. And again, the packaging, really cool. Take a look at this. Has the snowflake on the outside. It also has this like elastic band that's kind of like sealed around it. And it says that it's a refill compact, so I wonder if it's like you're able to kind of like switch them out once you're done with them, or if you need to like do a different one. Oh, how pretty. Cover the mirror on that since it's a little shiny. I don't know if you guys can see the colors on there, but those are like really nice neutrals. So that'll be really fun to try. I always love new makeup. I mean, who doesn't? But definitely like blushes and bronzers. I feel like with my skin tone, I always have like such a hard time finding the one that I love. And so that'll be a really fun something to try and see if new brand might love it. Hopefully. The colors look really good. They look really neutral, so that'll be really fun to give a try. And then it also comes with a little infographic talking about the company and those kind of things and all of the different products. So it looks like they have a full makeup line as well. And just kind of looking at some of these pictures, look at the packaging on them. They look really pretty. And like, again, huge packaging nut. I love it so much. I actually went to school for graphic design, and packaging was one of the classes that I took, and I really fell in love with it. And so I always look at things a little bit differently now because of that class that I was able to take. So this definitely, I always love like up and coming makeup lines or ones that you just can't get in Ulta or Sephora or things like that. So that's always really fun to find new brands that you love. Let's see. So there's also by Sphinx. It's called Mist to Spot, Need a Touch Up, Shave Anytime, Anywhere, Sphinx 3-in-1 Portable Razor. So this actually looks pretty cool. This I think would be an amazing hairdresser product if you're on your way to a hair show or an event or a class and you kind of like are wearing a dress or something and you forgot. Like this looks like you could literally stick it in your purse and like do it on the go. I personally don't shave. I actually wax everything because that's what I do in the salon is I'm a body waxer, and so I'm a huge advocate for waxing, but a huge portion of our industry shaves. So how cool would this be just to have with you? There's a little infographic on the back attached to it, kind of giving you all the information about the product. And then on the back of the package it says, your sidekick for those oh shit moments. I mean, how many times as hairdressers do we have those oh shit moments? And this looks really cool. And it looks like it, like on this little infographic, you can kind of see it has everything that you kind of need to give yourself a little touch up wherever that may be, I guess. So this looks really fun. And again, you guys, anything that you see during this, these are all up and coming brands that CosmoProf North America gave us the opportunity to meet and network with last night. And so if you love any of these, you're like, that looks really cool, I want to try it, or that looks really awesome, I would love to see that in the mystery box, make sure to comment and let us know, because we would love to know what you guys kind of want to see in the box, or the brands that you want to see that you want to get more familiar with. We'd love to pair you guys up with up and coming brands and have you find new things that you love. So make sure to comment, let us know if you like any of these things, so we can either reach out to them and make sure that they're in the mystery box, or if you just want to get in touch with them personally, we can do that for you. So definitely make sure that you're letting us know if you see anything that you love, because so far I love everything. Holy moly. Okay, this is really cool. I am a huge face mask junkie. I'm sure everybody is, but I love them. I love them so much. I take them everywhere with me. I feel like they just really make a difference in my skincare routine. So Real Hydration Rejuvenates mask. It looks like it's from Premium. Let's see. Premium, I think, might be the brand. Maybe not. But it's a whole face mask. And it's like a whole box of them. So there looks like there's a bunch of stuff in there. So these I'm really excited to try. I love face masks. There's 5 of them in this box here. So it's a facial contour lifting mask, revitalize skin elasticity, and promote rapid regeneration of skin cells. Duh, thank you. Yeah, I definitely needed this. And again, if you guys want to see face masks in the mystery box, or you wanted to see skincare, or you want to see this cool little shaver, or anything like that, again, comment, let us know. Do you guys want makeup in the mystery box? Let us know. We can try to do that too. Anything that you guys want, again, comment, let us know. This is really fun. I'm super excited to try this. My errand will be coming down soon, so we're gonna have a face mask party for sure. Okay, so I kept the big one till the very last because this one I'm like so excited about. It's a company that we saw a while ago. Heggy Gonzalez recently did something with them. I don't know if any of you are familiar with ReBeauty, but they have some really cool, fun little products. And so when I saw this in the box, I literally squealed like a little kid and was like, I have to do an unboxing video because this is just so cool that I actually got to get one of these. So ReBeauty is a tools company, and they are mostly in the Canada area, but they're slowly trickling down to the US. And we have been watching them for a while now because of the tools that they have are really cool, professional only, hairdresser friendly, and they're cute, which is what I love about them. Not only do they work really well, but they are so cute. And so I was lucky enough to get one of these, the Standout Mini Blow Dryer. It's a mini blow dryer, you guys. Like, who doesn't need a mini blow dryer? So to open it up, again, packaging, absolutely incredible. I love the box. It's textured, which I believe for all hairdressers, like, we're texture people. Like, we like touching things. We love touching hair. We love touching the way things feel. And so I got the Truffle Color Mini Blow Dryer. You open it up, little mini blow dryer. Also, mini diffuser. Like, who doesn't love mini things? Mini things are really fun. So I take it out of the little bag here. Like, little tiny mini blow dryer. The cool thing about this, which I saw Heggy do a whole thing on it on, I believe it was her Instagram stories when she did a giveaway of a bunch of their products. This thing has the power of a standard blow dryer. So it's not like, oh, a mini blow dryer, mini power. No, this has the power of a full-sized hairdryer, just in a mini form. And so you guys can take this with you while you're traveling. You can put this in a set bag and you're not taking up all of that room with a huge big blow dryer, which is part of the reason that we love some of the brands that we do. Like, one of my most favorite blow dryers is the Samvia dryer because it's a little bit more compact, and I feel like, hi honey, I feel like I can put it in my set bag, I can put it in my travel bag, I can take it with me, and I don't have this big clunky blow dryer with me, and it's powerful. And that is what I'm really excited about this for, is because this has the power of a full-sized hair dryer. And so to show you guys the mini diffuser, because it's just so stinking cute, look at this little tiny diffuser. Little guy, again, doesn't take up any space. And it comes with the nozzle, little diffuser. I love it. So if you guys want to see one of these in a Hair Nerd mystery box, or as a golden ticket item that you can win, not win, but like one of the boxes would have them in it, so a lucky person would end up receiving one of these, like let us know, or let us know if you like anything else from ReBeauty. Go check them out, take a look at their stuff. They also have unicorn colors, which are really cool. They have this like sherbet one that's really fun, but they also have a turquoise and purple mini blow dryer that, and like a whole, not just the mini blow dryer, but it's like an iron and tools and things like that they have. And so they have like a lot of really fun stuff. So go take a look at those. And again, come back, comment, let us know if you see anything that you love that you would like to see in the box, or if you just want us to connect you to any of these brands, because they're absolutely amazing. They're all up and coming. They are professional, strictly brands. So they're not really meant for like consumer, which I mean, most brands are still going to be consumer in some sort of the way, but they're professional brands. And that's what we really love, is that you're not going to be able to go to Ulta or Sephora and grab these things. Like, they are still strictly for the professional hairdresser, which I absolutely love, because I think that keeping our industry professional is really important. So just double checking, making sure we have some reading material in here as well. So we have something from the Glycine, which we showed one of those products in there. So this is a whole pamphlet of all of like the Glycine products. They're organic, they're vegan, which is really important to a lot of people now, and they're natural, which is also really important. So that's really cool. Kind of getting more on that like vegan, animal free, like those kind of things is always like really important to us. At least I know that I am a big advocate for like those kind of things. And then we also have this from Maskingdom, which was another brand that I already showed you guys. And so here's another little infographic type thing from Maskingdom. And again, that was this one here, those really cool cleansing flakes. So I'm really excited to try those and see how that goes. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, Ron Robertson, Santa Monica. If you don't go to this store, you're crazy, because it's absolutely incredible. It's not just for adults. They also have an entire baby section, which anybody knows me, I'm super baby crazy right now. So I was like, get me out of this room immediately, or I'm gonna max out my credit card on baby stuff when I don't even have a baby yet. So there's that. But definitely, again, let us know if you liked this video. Comment below. Let us know if you want to see more unboxing videos in the future. We would love to be able to show you guys the swag bags and the things that we have. Make sure to go check out the Hair Nerd Mystery Box on our shop. And we still have some left for Q1. We're going to release Q2 pretty soon. So make sure you get Q1 and then check out Q2 when it comes out. And let us know if you want to see any of these products that we showed you today in future boxes. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye.